How to add a store in Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add a store into your Squarespace website. So the process is going to be very easy and very simple. You're going to head over squarespace.com, sign in for an account, and then here we have the platform. Now we are going to click on this favicon of the account, click on the account dashboard, and normally you're going to face up this account. So, here a little disclaimer guys, everything created in this video such as email addresses, accounts, Google accounts are created only for the sake of the video and not for any personal uses. Make sure that you're going to use your own accounts and informations. Now, as you can see, we are going to see or notice the dashboard or the account dashboard. We're going to select one of the websites that we have in here. So we are going to click without a further ado to the go to dashboard. Now, we are going basically to select the website. After that, we are going to see it pop in right there. This is the editor. Now, we are going to make sure that we have something called products and services. This is going to relate to the specific store of yours. So you're going to click on that and then you're going to get a complete guide on how you can add a store. So basically adding a store is not going to be that complicated. You're going to have here three methods, not three methods, but three steps. So set up an online store. Here we have the first one, which is going to be necessary for adding a product. The second one is going to be connecting a payment processor or payment method. The third one is going to be adding a fulfillment method. So we're going to start by adding a product. You're going to see that you can go ahead and add whatever product. So in here, you can go ahead and have a demonstration on it. So you can add images, product name, description, additional information, the price, the stock, for example, SKU codes, variants or options, the fulfillment, and also some categories and etc. After you have saved that, you're going to click on publish, and this is the first thing or the first step. The second step is you connect the payment processor or the payment provider. So you're going to have here, depending on the country that you have opened or created the account of your Squarespace, you're going to see this. So, for example, in our case or in our country, we have three supported, as you can see, payment methods like the Stripe, PayPal, and Square. So I can go ahead and connect whatever I want from here. I can connect the two of Stripe and also PayPal, and also I can have here the Square added as much with the two others. Why? Because it is going to be a point of sale only. So it is not going to affect one of the payment methods in here. So you can basically add three payment methods like that. Now the third step is going to be consisting for adding the fulfillment, as you can see here, method, which is going to have the shipping options. Now you can go ahead and set up the shipping options like these and add it by here. So you can go ahead and choose a flat rate, a weight based, or a carrier calculated. So which is going to be a new one. So you can go ahead and select the country, set up the shipping option name in here, set up your address, here the city, the postcode, and then you can go ahead and choose one of the carriers. So that was based on the specific address that you have put in here. Also, you can add a custom container and etc. After that, you're going to have here everything added. So the products are going to be in the specific area in here. You can go ahead and see the products of your choice and create more products just like that. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.